Upgrading or replacing windows in your Conway home is more than just a cosmetic decision. It's a matter of performance, comfort, and long-term value. Choosing the right materials can significantly influence how your windows perform against heat, humidity, storms, and everyday wear. Whether you're building from scratch or modernizing a beloved home, here are the top expert-recommended window materials that align perfectly with Conway projects. Vinyl. The budget-smart powerhouse vinyl windows are consistently favored by homeowners and professionals alike in Conway for their affordability and performance. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, these frames are naturally insulated, helping to maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Why it works in Conway. Vinyl resists moisture, ideal for Conway's humid climate. It never needs painting, so it's great for low-maintenance lifestyles. Advanced vinyl frames can now mimic the look of wood, offering style without the upkeep. Vinyl is an excellent option for homeowners wanting to balance energy efficiency with cost-effectiveness. When installed with double or triple pane glass, vinyl windows can meet Energy Star ratings with ease. Fiberglass. Durability meets performance. Fiberglass is often considered the next-level window material. It's known for its strength, low expansion rate, and excellent thermal performance. In Conway, where temperature swings and occasional storms can occur, this material holds up incredibly well. Why it's expert approved, virtually immune to warping and swelling from moisture or heat. Superior lifespan. Fiberglass windows often last 30+ years. Paintable surface means you can customize colors to match any exterior. For homeowners looking for high performance with minimal maintenance, fiberglass offers a nearly indestructible solution that pays off in the long run. Wood-clad. Classic charm with a modern Edgewood windows are synonymous with charm and warmth, but pure wood frames often struggle with weather and require frequent maintenance. Enter wood-clad windows. They combine a wood interior with a weather-resistant exterior cladding, usually aluminum or vinyl. Why it's ideal for Conway projects. You get the beauty of real wood indoors. The exterior cladding protects against Conway's humidity, storms, and UV rays. Offers excellent insulation and aesthetic flexibility. This is a top-tier option for homeowners who don't want to compromise on appearance or durability. Professionals in Conway often recommend this hybrid material for upscale home designs and restorations. Aluminum. Strong and sleek for modern homes. While not as energy efficient as other options, aluminum windows are prized for their strength, slim profiles, and affordability in commercial or modern residential builds. They're also ideal for large window openings or sliding glass doors. Why it works in Conway. Strong frame means less material is needed, maximizing your view. Excellent wind resistance, perfect for storm-prone areas. Powder-coated finishes resist corrosion and wear. If your project leans toward industrial or contemporary aesthetics, aluminum could be the sleek solution you're after, especially with new thermally improved models. Composite. The best of all worlds. Composite window frames blend materials like wood fiber and plastic polymers to form a super durable, efficient option. These materials are engineered to perform well in almost any climate, and Conway is no exception. Why experts love them. Highly resistant to moisture, decay, and weather damage. Outstanding thermal performance and structural stability. Mimics the appearance of wood without the maintenance. Composite windows tend to fall in the mid to high price range, but they offer a long-lasting return on investment, particularly for homeowners who want peace of mind in harsh weather. Final thoughts. Match material to project goals. The key to selecting the right window material for your Conway project lies in balancing aesthetics, budget, climate performance, and maintenance preferences. Work with a local window replacement specialist who understands Conway's environmental challenges to ensure your choice not only looks beautiful but performs exceptionally well over time. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, boosting curb appeal, or preparing for future resale, these expert-approved materials ensure your windows stand strong and stylish through every season in Conway.